If you're a believer in second chances, then you need to know about the 2018 Amendment 4 in Florida. This law changed the game for voting rights. In 2018, over 1.4 million Floridians were given a new lease on life. Before Amendment 4, folks with felony convictions were silenced at the ballot box. But on November 6th, everything changed. Floridians voted to restore voting rights to those who had served their time. This was about justice, equality, and the belief that everyone deserves a second chance. Now, this didn't come without its struggles. New hurdles emerged, like paying off fines and fees. But the fight for fair voting rights continues. Amendment 4 is a testament to the power of the people and the spirit of democracy. Thousands are now empowered to vote, to have their voices heard, and to shape their communities. This is what democracy is all about, y'all. Don't forget to vote in November. Like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. #99rights_online.